How to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Binance. Then make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, head over to the wallet section on the bottom right and be sure that you're on the spot section. Now, tap on withdraw. After that, simply search for Solana, and tap on it. After you tap on Solana, you will need to tap on Send via Crypto Network. Select that. Now you will need to have your Phantom Wallet's address for this. So after you tap on that, just choose a network first. Choose one network, any network's fine. And after you choose the network, you'll then need to add the address there on the top, the place where it's blurred. Just add the address, then your network again, your amount that you want to withdraw, and from which account you're sending it from. Then finally tap on withdraw and you'll have sent your Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.